Intelligence without ambition is a bird without wings. Intelligence without ambition is a bird without wings. Notice the pronunciation for intelligence. The CE at the end makes an S sound. Intelligence. If you have trouble pronouncing the word, divide the word into parts to pronounce it correctly. Intelligence. Intelligence. Notice the pronunciation for ambition. The TION makes a shun sound. Ambition. Be careful while pronouncing bird. Make an effort to pronounce the R and D at the end. Bird. Also, take a note while pronouncing wings. Make sure you pronounce the S at the end of it. Wings. Intelligence without ambition is a bird without wings. And this was today's quote from Learning English with OpenM.